everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to send money with Zelle. So in order to send money with Zelle, you just have to follow the steps. So first thing first, make sure that your account is linked and that you have enough balance. So to send money, you need to go to the Send tab from the home page, and when you go to the Send tab, click on the Send, and next thing you want to do is you'll be asked whether you want to access the contact. So if you're sure about it, then click on Access Contact. Now here, select the contact to whom you want to send the money. And next thing you want to do is enter the exact amount that you want to transfer and click on Review. As soon as you click on the Review option, then you could see this thing or a fill where you could go ahead and read about the details that you put. So go ahead and read that out and confirm your transaction. So this way you'll be able to send money with Zelle. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.